हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू वंस अगेन ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल। सीजीआई 6 डिटेल्स ऑफ गॉड्स एट जज होम। चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट टूवर्ड्स क्वेरी टू द पुलिस। Judge asked not to dispose of his phones and or delete or modify any conversations, message or data in them during the probes. The police commissioner's report to the Chief Justice of Delhi say a guard at the residence of Justice Verma saw half-burnt articles and debris being removed. With Chief Justice of Sanjeev Khanna seeking the ascertainment of details of security guards and personal security officers posted at the residence of Justice Yashwant Verma in the past 6 months. The Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, Justice D.K. Upadhyay, has forwarded the query to the police. The CGI had also called for the call detail and internet protocol detail record of Justice Verma after the alleged discovery of sacks of half-burnt currency note from a storeroom on the residential premises. The call details have been handed over to the CGI in a pen drive. Justice Verma was asked not to dispose of his phone or delete or modify any conversations, message or data from them. Proofs Committee. All these details will be placed by the Supreme Court before the Proofs Committee. The three-member Proofs Committee of Chief Justice of two High Courts and a Karnataka High Court judge will take a deeper dive into the facts of the case. The Supreme Court's publication of document and visual material related to the inquiry into the incident in a stride towards transparency, even as the record raises further questions which the committee may examine. For one, the published records show that the police commissioner got in touch with Justice Upadhyay only around 4:50 p.m. on March 15, when the fire had broken out around 11:3 p.m. the previous night. On reviving receiving the information, Chief Justice Upadhyay immediately swing into action. The, the Delhi Chief Commissioner's report to Delhi Justice Upadhyay said, a security guard at the residence of Justice Verma saw half-burnt articles and debris being removed in the moving after the fire. A separate communication in Hindi said, four of five sacks of half-burnt currency note were found in the gutted room, but the published documents with which have redacted partition whole publications may imping on confidentiality of fairness, do not inform about the identity of the persons who removed the articles from the room on March 15 morning. They do not reveal who had taken the video and photographs showing the residue of what may be currency note. They do not mention whether the police had immediately sealed the room, a measure which may have prevented access to the following the fire and the dousing operation. The location of the the location of the remnants of the burnt currency notes and whether it was seized or not have also not been mentioned in the Delhi High Court Chief Justice published report. The report also does not mention if there is an investigation under into what caused the fire off or if CCTV footage was recovered. Justice Verma, in his response, has he had no knowledge of cash laying in the room. In that room, he was he has strongly rejected the in situations if made that we remove currency. None of my staff remove any articles, currency or cash in any forms. The published records show different stands on whether the storeroom located adjacent to the Central Reserve Police Force guard room was used to be kept located as stated in the police commissioner's reports. Justice Verma has countered that the storeroom was utilized generally by all the sundry to store unused household articles as well as CPWD materials. The room was disconnected from the main residence. It was surely not a room in any house, he said. The register cum secretary attached to the Delhi Chief Justice, who visited the room along with Justice Verma on the night of March 15, in his reports said the private secretary of Justice informed him that the room was not kept located. In his concluding remarks recommending a deeper probes, Chief Justice Upadhyay reported that his inquiry prima facie did not reveal the possibility of entry or access to the room by any persons other than those residing in the bungalow, the the gardeners, and CPWD per person. Personal. This may lead to a presumption that the room was not accessible to a rank outsider.